How to delete transaction history in Google Pay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your transaction history on Google Pay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your transaction history on Google Pay, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, just make sure to launch the Google Pay application here. Once you launch the Google Pay app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, let's say that there are any sort of transactions that you've made over here in the recent menu as well, you can just tap the view all option. And maybe that you want to get rid of it now. Can you do that? Well, unfortunately, to answer you, even if I tap the three dots option, you can see I don't have any option. That is because Google Pay will not let me delete my transaction history. And not only Google Pay, any of the other form of payment applications such as the Cash App, your Venmo, or even your own banking application, they don't let you delete your transaction history, because if you face any type of legal trouble later on in life, then there's always a certain proof that you've made a specific transaction to this person at this given amount of time. And that is where the transaction history always comes into play. You cannot just make a transaction and then delete it and then say that you haven't made a transaction. It's not as easy as that, because Google Pay is going to be held responsible for that. That is why they will not let you delete your transaction history. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.